Welcome to Highlands Nature Conservation, a place where nature is protected, restored and allowed to thrive. This is the reception area, the starting point for every journey into the reserve. It's where visitors check in, learn about current wildlife activity and get an introduction to the conservation work happening across the land. The building itself is designed to blend into its surroundings, reflecting a simple idea. Here, nature comes first. Ahead, a clearly marked path leads us away from the built environment and into the conservation area. As the walk begins, notice the native plants lining the trail. These species are carefully protected because they form the foundation of the ecosystem, providing food and shelter for birds, insects and small mammals. Birdsong fills the air, and with every step, the sounds of everyday life fade further into the background. The path opens up slightly, revealing the rolling hills that give Highlands its name. These natural contours play an important role in water flow and habitat diversity, supporting a wide range of wildlife throughout the seasons. A little further along, the path leads us to a small bridge crossing a stream below. The water has a deep Coca-Cola color, not from pollution but from natural tannins released by surrounding vegetation as leaves and plant matter slowly break down. These tannin-rich waters are common in healthy, undisturbed environments that supports a unique mix of aquatic life. Pause here for a moment. Listen to the gentle flow beneath your feet and notice how the stream reflects the trees above like dark glass. Here comes one of the buggies used for maintenance of the reserve, as well as guided tours which need to be booked in advance.
I think they're up there.
Along the trail, interpretive signs offer insight into the work being done here: habitat restoration, species monitoring, and long-term conservation planning. Much of this work happens quietly, but its impact is lasting. As we continue forward, the landscape becomes wilder, more immersive. This is the heart of Highlands Nature Conservation, a living environment shaped by time, care and respect for the natural world. Stay on the path, move gently and take it all in. Every step brings you deeper into a place where nature leads the way, but where the reserve has had picnic benches and tables installed so that the quietness can be enjoyed. As the path continues, the sound of moving water slowly grows louder, guiding us forward. Just ahead, the trail curves gently and reveals a small waterfall tucked into the landscape. Water spills over smooth, dark rock shaped by time and constant flow, before disappearing into the stream below. Though modest in size, the waterfall brings a sense of movement and energy to the area, cooling the air and nourishing the plants that thrive in its mist. Take a moment here to watch the water, to listen and to appreciate how even the smallest features play an important role in keeping this ecosystem alive. As our visit comes to an end, the path slowly leads us back, but the feeling of Highlands nature conservation stays with us. This is more than just a place to walk through. It's a reminder of what careful protection, patience and respect for nature can achieve. Every trail, stream and hillside tells a quiet story of balance and renewal. As you leave, take a moment to carry that sense of calm with you, and remember that places like this continue to thrive because they are valued, understood and protected for generations to come.